Hi everybody, my name is Ritik RV. I'm here at Birds of Paradise. So I've been handling snakes, rescuing animals from past 4.5 to 5 years now. And today we'll meet a very interesting animal. I have an African bullfrog right here. So this comes out to be the world's largest frog species. And they can prey, like they can eat a lot of fishes, chicken, and anything that fits into their mouth. They eat scorpions as well. They eat snakes, yes. So can you see the size of this guy? He's damn beautiful. And these guys come out in a kind of wild colors. Yes. So yeah, you see that? We release him into his enclosure. Cool.